All right, so we are in Pike Place Market, and if you want to get a drink, Rachel's Ginger Beer is an awesome spot.
Here we're going to talk to the Rachel.
We are.
Behind the ginger beer.
Let's check it out.
Let's go.
We're at one of my favorite places in Seattle at Rachel's Ginger Beer with Rachel herself.
Hello, cheers. We opened here in Pike Place Market in the summer of 2013. We have alcohol-free ginger beer, which is just basically a fresh juice soda. This is our spicy pineapple. This is my favorite cocktail. This is a frozen pink guava Moscow Mule. Highly recommend. This one is one of our most popular items too. This is a soft serve float. We use a Washington State-made soft serve ice cream, black currant ginger beer. It will kind of remind you of like an Orange Julius at the mall when you were little. Yummy good things to share with everyone.
But don't forget, you can also bring some of this back to the hotel room as well. Make sure you come and check it out. Here we are in Optimism Brewing here in Capitol Hill.
It's a 10-minute walk from the convention center.
Okay.
And this place has the coolest backstory.
Troy and Gay met at Microsoft, coding on what was then an unnamed product that now is called Microsoft Outlook.
Yeah. So they met at Microsoft, and then 3 years ago they opened this place. They've written their own software to run the brewery, and also it is actually Seattle's largest tap room.
Right, and so right now they got 32 different taps, 2 nitros makes 34. Definitely walk your way down this way from Microsoft Build, 10-minute walk to be able to try out Optimism Brewing.
All right, we are here at the Brewlab, Redhook Brewlab in Capitol Hill, checking out some brews. So Nick, tell us a little bit about this place.
Yeah, so the Brewlab is basically our incubation for new beers, new recipes, new ideas. We take everything here, we brew it on our 8.5 barrel system. We test it out, send it to the lab here, the patrons here.
So you're like a brew developer, basically, like a beer developer.
Yeah,
that's what it sounds like.
It's crowdsourced and approved beer styles to be able to see what actually manages to stick. If you're here at Microsoft Build, you can come down here to the Brewlab from Redhook Brewing. It's a phenomenal space, nice and airy, good little sunshine going on in here.
All right, let's try this.
You got it. Cheers.
Cheers.